Benefits of eating tomatoes. Supports heart health, helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Good for the skin. The lycopene and vitamin C in tomatoes promote healthy skin and reduce sun damage. Boosts immunity. Contains vitamins A, C, and E, which strengthen the immune system. Aids digestion. High in fiber, promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Tomatoes are high in the antioxidant-rich lycopene, which helps protect against cell damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Supports eye health. Contains lutein and beta-carotene, which help protect against vision problems. Aids in hydration. Composed of approximately 95% water, keeps the body hydrated. May reduce the risk of cancer. Lycopene and other compounds may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including prostate and breast cancer. Regulates blood sugar. Helps control low carbohydrate intake and blood sugar levels. Strengthens bones. Contains vitamin K and calcium, which supports bone health.